I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the sync system in this Ford. First of all, click phone. You've got add, Bluetooth, close, searching for past paired phones, menu, sync settings, just going down there, clock, audio, sync applications, sync settings. So click on sync OK. You've got Bluetooth on, which that's something else. If the Bluetooth's not switched on, if it's not pairing, go into that menu, make sure there's a tick next to Bluetooth. So we've got along here add, retry, cancel. It's looked for a phone. Those correspond to these buttons here, so we'll cancel that. You've got Bluetooth devices, down to Bluetooth devices, click OK. You've got Barry's phone and John's phone, add, delete. So I wanted to delete mine again, add, delete, connect. So delete is that second button there, delete. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it, my phone's gone.